guys, I'm Veronica and welcome to our RoniAndNessa channel. As you can see, it's just me, Veronica, today. Make sure to subscribe to our RoniAndNessa channel if you are new and hit the bell button to get notified when we post a new video. Today, I'm going to be doing an easy Valentine's Day makeup look. Hopefully it's easy. I'm going to kind of experiment and I'm going to be answering some questions and giving some advice about love and relationships and dating because it's Valentine's Day. I asked you guys to tweet me on Twitter some questions, so let's get on with the video. So first I'm going to start off with my primer and foundation, and I gotta give a huge shout out to Gucci for sending me this foundation. Yeah, me, a Gucci foundation. It's so beautiful, you guys. Look at this packaging. This is not sponsored. They just sent this to me. They wrote my name on a card, and I got to choose like 3 different foundation colors, and I'm going to be using this primer. I'm really excited because this is my first time using it, so thank you, Gucci, for that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the serum. It's a silk priming serum. I'm going to be putting this on my skin because, you know, kind of need some hydration. Alright, next I'm going to use the Gucci foundation, Natural Finish Fluid Foundation. Okay, so first question. It's Millie asks, so Valentine's Day is coming up and I have no idea what to get for my boyfriend. Any advice? Girl, good luck. If you haven't been dating them that long and this is your first time really getting them a Valentine's Day gift, I would suggest like something very lighthearted. You can't go wrong with like snacks, like their favorite snacks, or like a cute little card. I don't know, anything with food I think is a great plus. A favorite candy, just go with that. I just realized you can see the entire mess of my dresser over there, so please ignore that. Next question, how would you know if someone is worth taking a risk? Also, do you guys even believe in universe is giving you signs? Laughing face. I feel like any relationship is taking a risk, like any friendship, you know, all of that. Anything is taking a risk. And so I guess it's just up to you if you're willing to take that risk. I do believe that. Whatever you call it, the universe, coincidence, God, I do believe God or the universe gives us signs. If you see an opportunity with someone, why not take it? Why not give them a chance? I mean, the only times to not give people chances are when you feel in your gut that they're not a good person or they're not going to be good for you, or you just know that it's not going to work out. Okay, now I'm going to put some bronzer on my face. I'm going to be using the Too Faced bronzer. It's like this chocolate palette. I've had this for a while now, and it's been lasting me a good bit, and I love it a lot. So I'm just going to put it in the places where I need some color. So I'm in this kind of a relationship with this guy. I really don't know if I should call it that, but we have been talking. Problem is, we have dated before, and we broke up for a reason. Then again, I really like this dude, and he always says how much he likes me, and I want to take things slow, but he wants to go pow pow, and I don't think anything I'm saying is getting through to him. What? Okay. Oh, okay, so she doesn't think anything they're saying is getting through to him. What do I do? Sorry this is so long. I've been needing to get this off my chest. Yeah, you guys broke up for a reason, but you still like him. It's probably time to maybe move on. If he isn't respecting your wishes to move slow, then I would say get out of there. Get out of there. I dated a guy in high school for off and on for like 3 years. I learned so much about what I want and don't want in a relationship. I think sometimes I might have missed opportunities to talk to other people in high school because I was so invested in this guy. If you just can't help that you like him, date him again. But if you know that it's just going to end up the same way, why put yourself through that? Why lose an opportunity with someone else? Okay, so for all you Animal Crossing lovers, Ness and I got an opportunity to get and receive the Animal Crossing Color Pop collection. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I'm going to try this blush for the first time. It's the Flower Power one. It's so cute. I love it so much. Oh, cute. I love it. It's so pink. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, I love it. Okay, cute. Next question. Teach me how to flirt and how to not be socially awkward whenever someone speaks to me. I feel so bad that I wish I could help you with this question, but I really can't because, first of all, I'm really not good at flirting until I know that person likes me or is at least interested in me. And I'm also very socially awkward when it comes to certain situations. When I get nervous, I have a really bad stutter. So at the end of the day, you can either think that your social awkwardness isn't going to help you in any situation, or you can view it as someone's going to appreciate and love that social awkwardness about you, and they're not going to care that you're socially awkward, or that you get nervous, or you stutter when you get nervous, or all these things, or that you're a bad flirter. If you find someone who doesn't care about that, that person is a keeper. And if you aren't about it, if you're going to judge me because I'm socially awkward or that I'm stuttering and not speaking correctly, then that's that person's problem. That's not my issue. Like, this is who I am. Whenever I'm starting to like a boy, I start to push them away because I run from relationships or anything more serious. Usually ends up with me regretting my choices. Any advice on that? That just sounds to me like you have a bunch of walls built up and that you're not allowing those walls to be torn down, and you have a very good reason to not let those walls be torn down. And if you don't know what I mean, is when you're in relationships and your heart gets broken, or you've just seen certain situations and it just hurts your heart, you build these walls up, like metaphorically, to protect your heart so that that person can't hurt you the same way you've seen other people get hurt or the way you've been hurt in the past. And there's nothing wrong with that. And I think that's what you're dealing with, is those walls that you've built aren't allowing you to pursue something even farther. I think for me, I am such a person who loves to talk about my feelings. I don't know about you guys. I don't care who I'm talking to. They have to know that this is how I feel. This is my past. This is what I've been through. This is how I got hurt. And this is what I expect in this relationship, and this is what I'm low-key telling you what not to do. That's how I tear down my walls, is by telling that person, like, look, this is how it is. This is what's happened in my past. And if you can't meet those standards or requirements that my walls have been built and made, then that's your loss. So when you find someone that can help tear down those walls and make you feel more secure, I think that's the right person. Let that guy, let that girl know that this is what I've been through. And if you don't want me and my baggage that I have, then this isn't worth pursuing. Okay, so now it's time for the most important part of the Valentine's makeup look. I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use these pinks right here. This is the 5 Star Island, the Isabel palette from the ColourPop collection. We're going with the pink look. Oh my gosh, this is my first time using this pink on this palette. It is so pink! Okay, and then we're just gonna blend it up. We're just gonna blend. Go on this side. This is so easy. You just put it all over your eye, and then we blend. Kind of like go up into the brow bone. Just a little, not too much, because we want to keep that natural look. I don't want to look too crazy in front of my Valentine. I don't want to be like, hey, with all this like pink eye. I'm going to take the same color with a smaller brush and just go under my eyes very lightly. Start at the corner and just swipe under to the corner, to my inner corner. Cute. We're going to take that really sparkly pink. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, this is everything. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. If this isn't really your like cup of tea, like really sparkly eyeshadow look, just do a shimmery pink eyeshadow. You don't need a super glittery one. I'm just pressing it all over my eyelid. Like I said, this is just so easy, and it looks like I put a lot of work into it. So let me put more blush on. Hold on, let me put some on my nose to get that rosy look. Ooh, this is a really good one. I'm taking my time to work on myself and be the best version that I can be. My question is, how do I know if I'm ready for a relationship and not ruin it by waiting for the perfect moment? You can take time to work on yourself. You can take time to love yourself more, because if you don't love yourself, how can you love others? There's a lot of truth to that, but I also think that when you find someone who is going to literally uplift you and encourage you in so many ways, that's going to be the perfect person. And I don't think you should have to worry about, I don't love myself fully yet, like I can't give my love to someone, this isn't the perfect time, this person is great, but I don't love myself truly. How am I supposed to love them? If that person like understands you and can see your potential in the human being that you are, then that is the perfect person in my opinion. How do you balance work life, family life, and a relationship? It's something I've always struggled with, and someone always ends up getting upset. If you can't find someone who understands your busy life and your busy schedule and the fact that you prioritize your family over them first, and then eventually they'll make it up there to that priorities list, then that person isn't the right one for you. There's like this stigma, especially out here in LA, that if you can't be available for a guy, then they're going to get mad at you. If you can't drop everything for them, they're gonna make you feel bad about it. And there have been so many times where I've been in a relationship like that, where I have felt so bad that I can't give up my time. And this was like during high school too, where I was pursuing YouTube, doing high school work, you know, and just preparing for college, etc., etc. And this guy was just like, no, me. That person obviously wasn't right for me because they weren't clearly understanding that this was my life. And so I broke up with him. It made me feel bad. Like, I genuinely felt upset that I was like, am I really not a good enough person? Like, maybe I am too busy. Maybe, like, blah, blah, blah. No, my family is the world to me. My work is the world to me. And if you're going to be in my life, and if you want to become the world to me, you better understand that these two things are going to be a priority first over you. And if a guy can't handle that, or a girl, or if a girl, guy or a girl, anyone, if no one can handle that, let them go. There's a level of respect that has to be from both sides. So when you do find someone who is super appreciative of the time that you find to put them into your schedule, if they see that you're making the effort and they recognize that and they acknowledge it, then that is a really good person and you should keep them around. But if not, Okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick. I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I've been using this one for years. My eyebrows are kind of crazy right now, so I'm just going to fill them in the spots that like need to be filled. I'm going to do my eyes now. I'm going to use, this is the mascara I've been using. This is Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof, because I can't do normal mascara because my eyelashes go down. So we're just going to use this. Boom, look at that. If I don't curl my eyelashes, they would never look like this. This looks amazing. Oh, my lips look so crusty. Ignore that. I'll put on the bottom though. A little light coat. A light coat. Okay, so something is wrong with the camera. For some reason it keeps cutting out and doing some stuff, so I put brow gel in my eyebrows. I used the Glossier one. And right now I'm putting highlighter on my face, and I'm using this Laura Geller Duo Baked Highlighter. It's my favorite highlighter. Just putting it on my cheeks and putting it on my nose. And then we're going to use the spongy side of this and just go like this and then go really strongly on the tip. Just swish between both of these. This is a nice pearl highlight and then a nice shimmer highlight. I just like the mixture of both. And then we're just going to go right here, dab right in between the corners of my eye. And then we're going to add a little up here to the brow bone. Boom. There we go. I don't know which lip to go for, so this is a lipstick that I've used for a long time, and I've used a lot of it. So we're gonna see how this looks. It's really pink. It's a very pink lipstick. So I don't know if I'm gonna like it. No, it drowns it all out. No, I gotta change it. I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty. This is a lip gloss one. I think this is the look. And it definitely goes with that pink vibe that we have going on with our whole entire face. That's pretty. Ooh, this color's great. This is Nearly Rose. And it's a balm. So it helps hydrates your lips too. I've seen a lot of people tweet me this question. How can you tell if your crush likes you back? I don't know. I think you just know if they like you or not. I feel like that's such a bad answer. If you're crushing on someone and you somehow get their number or their Snapchat and you just start messaging all the time, and if they're giving you like little hints and stuff that they're into you, I feel like that's how you'll know they're into you. But if you have a crush on someone and you don't even talk to them at all, then I really doubt that there's going to be a connection there, because in order for someone to like you and fall in love with you, you have to communicate. If you have the guts, like, what's your number? Like, hey, like, let's text, like, let's Snapchat, or add them on Instagram, Twitter. There's nothing wrong with making the first move to find out, to see if your crush would be even interested in you at all. And then once you start talking, you'll definitely get the vibe. There's a definite vibe when someone likes you. Okay, so this question, I've never really answered this type of question before. Did you ever question your sexuality? I've been struggling with it recently and I don't know how to deal with it. I do support the LGBTQ community. I think love is love and you should be able to love whoever you want. And personally, I've never really struggled with my sexuality. I know that I like guys and I find women beautiful, but I would never date a woman. And I appreciate women's beauty. And I think women are great and beautiful. There's nothing wrong with the fact that you're questioning your sexuality, finding out who you are, and I just want you to know that if you are questioning that it'll be okay, everything will be fine. And there are people who love you and there's going to be people who support you, but there's also going to be people who may not support you, and that's going to be okay, because that's going to show you the true heart of certain people. And so just know that you are loved and supported by so many people, and there's nothing wrong with that. And before I end this video, I do want to say that this is my completed makeup look, and this is definitely what I will be doing on Valentine's Day. My hair and outfit though will be very different. My hair is still wet because I showered, but I was letting it air dry. But I'm just not really in the mood to do my hair right now. And if you want to see hair tutorials, comment down in the comments below, but just know your girl struggles to do her hair sometimes. So most of the time I'm just happy with this, to be honest. Like, this might just be my Valentine's Day hair. And I'll definitely wear something cuter. I just don't know what to wear yet, because the weather is kind of crazy here in LA. Okay, and there you have it, my super easy Valentine's Day look. I know it's not like super glam, maybe not what people were expecting, but I don't want to be super glam on Valentine's Day. I don't want to show up and be like, bam. I just want to be like cute, you know, I just want to look cute and natural. And there's nothing wrong with that. The light's getting dark outside because I've been sitting here a long time answering your guys' questions. I really appreciate everyone who asked a question. I'm so sorry I didn't get to answer all of them. You guys had very good questions. I will definitely do something like this again. This was super fun for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if your question was in this video, let me know in the comments below. And let me know your guys' opinions about these questions. I know that I have a very different outlook on life sometimes, and I know that my opinions may not correlate with yours, and that's totally okay. All I ask is for kindness in the comments, and not to hate on other people in the comments, and just be mindful of your words and the things you say to people. That's all I ask. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to RoniAndNessa channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!